Hello and welcome back. Today we are working on a Dyson hair dryer. The problem stated by a client was that after a few seconds or maybe a minute or two, the dryer would just shut off. That most likely is due to overheating, and we start by opening up the dryer and check if it has any clogs or hair stuck inside. Now the opening up procedure is pretty straightforward. There's only a few screws, torque screws I believe, on the bottom side, and you can take off the cover and the hair as we expected, as we thought from the beginning. Yeah, as you can see right here, gets exposed, so there's a lot of hair inside. I don't know why. Maybe they took off the cover and hair got trapped inside, as you can see here. Look at that. So that's the clogged hair dryer, so there's no way that hair dryer can pass through air, so it overheats and obviously it shuts off. So this was just a quick video showing you how to solve this problem if you have it. If you have a hair dryer and it stops, most likely is that there is hair in the inside of the dryer. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and see you on the next one.